Hello students, today I am going to teach you the very first lesson of your social science book. The name of the lesson is What, Where, How and When. So students, first of all I will tell you what is history. History is the story of man's past. It deals with events that have already occurred. It deals with facts of our society, economy, and culture. It is based on historical sources which are seen, observed, and analyzed. Students, now I'm going to tell you the division of history. Historians divide history into three time periods. The first one is prehistory, second one proto-history, and third one is history. Prehistory. It is the time when writing had not been invented and there are no written records of this period. Our knowledge of this period is totally dependent on the findings of archaeologists and the things they found under the earth like pots, pans, jewelry, tools, bones, coins, etc. Second is proto-history. This period is the time between prehistory and history. Our knowledge of this period is based on archaeological findings. An example of this period is the Indus Valley civilization. And third one, history. History refers to the time period after writing was invented. We can trace the history of any event from the written records. Earlier, writing was on stones, rocks, pillars, bark of trees, and clay tablets. Many of them have been destroyed, yet we have enough records to write the history. Okay, students. Thanks for today.